Hey everybody, so this is a quick video on MLA end text citation, otherwise known as a works cited. So here we go. These are all of the sources that I have listed. Don't forget you need your running head in the top left hand or right hand corner. You're not going to need a header block on this page because it'll be minimum your second page because works citeds get their own page. Okay, so let's go into this. Control A, select all. Make sure that we're dealing with Times New Roman. So we've got Times New Roman. Cool. We've got 12-point font. Cool. Let's go into the paragraph dialog box. 0 before, 0 after. Don't add space. Double spaced. Okay, so far so good. And we, of course, center titles. And so works cited needs to be titled or centered because it's a title. So you go to the center button. Now what you have is all of your different entries. They are all by author last name. Okay. So this is how you do a hanging indent. First, you want to make sure your ruler is turned on. So you go to View, and then where it says Show, it'll have a ruler right there. You want to make sure it's checked so you see this thing right here. You see the ruler, because the ruler will help you do manual indent. There is a way of doing MLA hanging indent automatically on Word, but it screws up all the formatting if you have to change anything. So I strongly suggest doing it this way. Okay, so my ruler's turned on. I can see what's going on. So what I'm going to do is highlight all of the sources that I need to do. And then see where there's this little up arrow and down arrow here on the left-hand side? What that is it's where your page starts. It's functionally your margins. So you want to leave the top arrow pointing down where it is, because remember, you want the first line to hang out. Then you grab that second little, that's what happens when you grab the whole thing. You want to just grab the one in the middle, because when you move it to this 1/2 inch mark, if you see, the author sticks out and the rest of the lines are put in, which is why it's called hanging indent, because now you can very clearly see all of the authors and you know who they are and how to find them. So let me do that one more time. I will show you how to do that hanging indent. So you highlight all the things that you want to indent. You drag the top between the gray and white. You grab the middle one, drag it over to that 1/2 inch line. So now you have hanging indent. I hope that helps. Be safe.